Today I'm coming to show you how to make your computer run faster in case your computer is slowing down. So I'm coming to show you 3 methods. So the first thing that you need to do is to click on the start menu. Then you click on the settings buttons here. Then you click on privacy. When you come here, then you have to scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see background apps. You click on background apps. Then the top here, let apps run in background. When you come here, it will be on. But what you have to do is to turn it off so that your computer can run fast. You have to turn it off like this. Now let's go to the second method. The second thing that you need to do is to right click on the taskbar. You click on Task Manager. When you get here, you click on Start App. You click on Start App. All the apps here, please disable them one by one. You see, this one is already disabled. So let's assume that it is like this. You just have to do it one by one. After that, then you close it. The final and the last method that I'm coming to share with you today is to just click on the start button. Then you search for view. You search for view. You see view advanced system. You click on it. Then you click on the advanced here. You click on the settings and the performance. It will be initially it will be at let window choose what's best, but you have to choose the third one, which is adjust for best performance. After that, adjust for best performance. Then you click on apply. Then you click on OK. Then you click on OK. Then that is it. The next thing you have to do is to restart your computer, and it will be running faster than before. If you find this video useful, please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll be sharing more useful tips with you. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop your comments, suggestions, and like. Thank you very much.